Are you a fan of 2D animation? Have you ever wanted to create an animation of your own? You can! Hi, my name is Patrick, and I'll show you how animation can be achievable, even for the first-time artist. There's no need to be a great illustrator. There's no need to draw thousands of pictures. And there's no need to learn complicated animation software. On this channel, you'll find my quick tip videos, tutorials, and animated shorts. I will show you how I created my own animations, such as Traveling Gringos and Trep, and how you can use the same techniques to bring your own ideas to life. I will also be giving my opinion on certain animation topics, as well as trying to answer questions submitted in the comments. So if you ever wanted to learn about animation, follow my channel and we can explore the endless possibilities of animation together. My name is Patrick Davidson, the Expat Animator, and I hope to see you next time.